Welcome to our Live a Legacy network. Our intentions are to provide you with valuable information that will alter the trajectory of your life by creating new opportunities for you, your family, and your future. What exactly is Straight Talk with Ricky? It's the real deal, unedited, unfiltered truth about life and all the lessons that come with it. You can either learn them the easy way or the hard way. You decide. If you prefer the easy way, subscribe right now. Alrighty guys, today we're going to learn a nice little shortcut that will help you keep track of your most used files and folders. And in this world, it's all about convenience. It's all about quick and being able to access what we need when we need it. So if we are going to be looking at our computer today, we're going to learn how to add some shortcuts and icons on our desktop to make our life a whole lot better. So if you are looking at my screen, here we have our desktop, and we just have a few icons there right now. And it's very simple. You go down to the Windows, you open it up, and from there you're going to want to go to Settings. Once you click on Settings, we're going to go to Personalization. Click on Personalization. That's going to give us this menu. And here you can change your background picture, you can change your lock screen picture, you can do a lot of different things. You can add colors, you can do slideshows, you can do a lot of different things with your desktop itself, right? So what we're gonna do, you can have folders there. You're gonna wanna, on your lock screen, you can do, like I said, slideshow, pictures, and whatnot. So we're gonna focus on themes. And so when you go themes, go all the way down to where it says desktop icon settings. Okay, once you click on that, here are our settings. These are the ones that are available: your computer, your user files, recycle bin, your network, and your control panel. You can click as much as you want. You click all of them. I usually click all of them. And you click apply, and then whammo, there they are right there on your desktop. So you can just quickly have access to these files so you don't have to waste time looking for them and searching for them anywhere. I hope you like this video. Click apply, click OK, you're done. Share this with other people, and let's make everyone's life a lot easier. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead, subscribe, and click on the bell. Like and share with 3 people you think will also benefit from this game-changing message. Connect with me. All my social media links are below in the description. We welcome and reply to all comments, so please share your comments below, and please let us know what topic interests you the most. On your left is another video from this playlist. On the right is a popular video from a similar playlist. And you can subscribe by clicking in the middle. Now, get out there and learn something new. Remember to enjoy your day and be sure to touch people's lives in a positive way.